There's something magical about summer by the water, the shimmering of the pearls, the calming ocean blues, and the warm golden sunlight. Whether or not you're going to the beach, brunch, or evening out, this jewelry set adds a simple touch of summer elegance. I'm Elaine. I'm a jewelry designer here at Fire Mountain Gems and Beads, and today I'm going to be going over all the materials I used to make the set and show you how I made the bracelet.
Get our email newsletter for beading news, sale announcements, new product announcements, and more. Link is in the description below.
So here are the materials I used to create this beautiful summertime jewelry set. I used gold-plated findings here, but you can design the set any way you like. For the bracelet and earrings, I used the 8mm round larimar, sesame jasper, chrysanthemum gemstones, as well as some 8mm glass pearls and some 8mm gold finish Hishu beads. You'll also need some clasps, some jump rings, some head pins, and some ear wires. For the necklace, to tie everything together, I used a sesame jasper focal pendant, as well as some larimar teardrops, some ice pick bails to attach them to the chain, and I used mirror chain as well as some 2.4mm paperclip chain to better catch the sun and really make them shine. So let's get started making the bracelet from this playful sunlit inspired jewelry set. So for the 7-inch bracelet, I cut off about 9 inches of the AccuFlex, and I used an AccuGuard here with a crimp bead and a crimp cover. And now I'm going to string on the 8mm beads that I chose. So let's put on my first bead. And my first bead here is going to be a pearl. So now I'm going to put on sesame jasper. And then we're going to take a chrysanthemum. And then we're going to take a larimar. And then we're going to repeat the pattern and start with the pearl again. But this time we are going to put a gold finish Hishu bead in between these two pearls. This design was inspired by the relaxed feeling of the beach, while also embracing the trend of layered necklaces. I used sesame jasper, larimar, pearls, and chrysanthemum stone to bring in the soft coastal tones and natural textures that resemble driftwood. It's an easy summer jewelry set to create, but the layered look keeps it feeling modern, trendy, and classy. Try experimenting with different gemstone combinations to create your own unique summer style. All right, so now I'm going to add just our last pearl here, and I'm going to slide that on, and I'm going to add our crimp bead, and then our AccuGuard. I'm going to go in through the first hole. And then I'll wrap it around the AccuGuard and go back to the second hole. And then I'm going to go back through the crimp bead. Oops, back through the crimp bead. And I'm going to go into the pearl again because I like securing it. Makes it nice and tight. There we go. So just grab it on the other end here. There we go. And we're going to pull through, bring it down. There we go. And so now I'm going to take my crimping pliers here and make sure it sits right nicely in the channel. And I'm going to close that and then put it in the first chamber and round it off. There we go. And then now I'm going to take my crimp cover and put it around my crimp bead. And with my chain nose pliers, I'm going to gently curve that around and just hug that crimp cover and squeeze it like a little snowball, and it's all nice and tight. And then just cut the extra AccuFlex off. There we go. And now we're ready to put our clasp on. I'm going to take my chain nose again and my second plier here. And then I'm going to put my first clasp on my first side of my clasp here. And take my pliers and I'm just going to close that jump ring up nice and tight. And then I'm going to take my other jump ring, and these are 4mm jump rings, and open it up. And then I'm going to put the other hook on here. Whoops. And then at the other end of my bracelet here. And I'm going to take it and close it nice and tight. And there we have our beautiful bracelet. If you made a summer beach set, tag us on social media. We'd love to see what you've made. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and sign up for our email newsletter. Until next time, we'll see you soon.